How to wash your hands properly. Practice 1, true or false? You should only wash your hands with warm water. A, true, B, false. Answer, B, false. Fact, hot water is great for getting oil off of your hands. When it comes to germs, hot and cold water are equally effective. Good hand washing is about the amount of soap you use and how long you scrub your hands. Practice 2, answer the question. How much soap should you use when you wash your hands? A, 1 pump. B, 2 to 3 pumps. C, none. Answer, B, 2 to 3 pumps. Fact, pump enough soap to cover your hands. That means 2 plus pumps. Practice 3, choose the best option to fill in the space. Wash the palms and tops of your hands. Don't forget to scrub between A, your fingers, B, your toes, C, your fingers and under your fingernails. Answer, C, your fingers and under your fingernails. Fact, bacteria are most likely to be hiding underneath your nails. Practice 4, choose the best option to fill in the space. Vigorously scrub your hands with soap. A, for 10 seconds, B, for 20 seconds. C, for 60 seconds. D, if you want to. E, while you eat. Answer, B, for 20 seconds. Fact, germs can be transferred more easily to and from wet hands. Practice 5, answer the question. What is the safest way to dry your hands? A, kitchen towel. B, wipe on your apron. C, shaking them. D, wipe on your shirt. E, paper towel or air dryer. Answer, E, paper towel or air dryer.